love you and appreciate you. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Tang, happy birthday. I thank the Lord for giving us such a loving, good, and supportive mother. We are truly blessed to have you in our lives. I may not be the most outspoken among your children, but allow me to express how sincerely I love and appreciate you. Ako Tang, personally, akagit ko yung kapagalan mo kaya kami ngan ever since lang nang kaming anak. And I really appreciate yung aganaganang gagawan mo at support at lugod mo kaya kami. I hope time mo ulit itang mas makabang banding together, and also somehow I could take care of you. We miss you and we love you so much, Tang. Thank you. Enjoy the well-deserved celebration that your coworker has prepared for you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Love you so much. Thank you, Tang. Love you so much.
Kumusta ako, Uken? Happy birthday po. Tapos salamat kayo sa uyo.
Happy birthday Tang, hininga palagi. Hininga po mo. Isa yun, ito apat ng bulan nandito gulo. Hininga parati yan. Miss you.
Hello Lolo John, kamusta na po kayo dyan? Happy birthday, mag-ingat lagi po kayo dyan. I love you, ito po si Zion.
Hello, John. Happy birthday. At sana'y dasna na kaning video ngayon ni at yung kaking masalesya kabilyan. Although, balo mi na yarining birthday mo, belated happy birthday. Tunay na pasalamatan ming in Diyos na iningatan ako at miras kaking makanya na edad, balo ko at yun na kaking 62. At yung nag-ingat kaya katunay na in Diyos, yung maghawak kaya katamong biye, yung mag-prolong kaya katamong biye, at yung source na ning everything tamo. Kaya salamat uling in kayang mapagpalang kamay. Ininudlot kaya ko. Aranasan mo ing kalinga, ing pag-ibig ning kaya katamong Ginoo. Yeah, kaya naway maging masaya kat dalangin ko na mikitikit tam pasibayot miyabi-yabi tamong pasibay. Munta ka kaya king Italy at magbakansa ka kaya ni. At ating kong ingbasan kong passage kaya ka kanyang Efeso chapter 3 verse 20, sabi na, sa kanya na makakagawa ng higit pa kaysa maaari nating hilingin at isipin sa magitan ng kanyang kapangyarihang kumikilos sa atin. Kaya ang pagpapala na ng Ginoo, danasan mo higit pa kaya kang minimiti, higit pa kaya kang inaasahan, ini-imagine kaya kang biye. Kaya muli, happy birthday at lagi na kang patnubayan ni kaya katamong Diyos.
Otat, June, happy birthday. Sana dinana kang makabambihin apong Ginoo. Mingat ka palagi Ken. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Go. Joe.
Otol John. Kumusta na? O kalwa ta panawan bayo ta mikit-ikit. Muking pamag voice tape mo makanyan balamya may being Saudi. O abing pala tutuanin bilin happy birthday. Pila na kang banwa kanyan? O balo ko, medyo makainin kaya katamong katawan, lalo natutuwa ta, ano, niya dapat doble ingat. Pero panakitan na rin dyan, makanaming paralan. Basta yung malinis, pero yung katawan yung dapat sesen. Tayo paborin. Tsaka siyempre, yung pamatnuben, yung mayupaya, yung kikatang kailangan niya dapat tama nga lingwan. Nananutaman, basta ting pamanaos kayo, yung kikatangunan. Miingat na ka mo, nung nanuman yung kikang tugawan, at balo ko, pamaningat nga pong ginumanatili kaya ka. At sana ilaot na ka na naman yung karamdaman kang kirang katawan. Basta't miingat na nga mo kapatad. Happy birthday pa si Bayo. Magpasanting ka. Bangka dito, dakala rin balo mo, no? O sige, kanya na mo. Basta't miingat na ka mo.
Oh, tsaka kapatad. January 7, birthday mo na, yung birthday mo na. Sabi ng chingemi kasi, ulang ating kang obra, gawan nyo keng wikay ni. Anya, mig video call kami, mig tape kami, bang anito. Apa, mikaya ko, kaya kami pa magbati kaya ko. Happy birthday. Pag-pray ko na di na nakapang makabambiyaning Gino, dakala birthday, pwede mo pang i-celebrate, di na nakang malusog, apami kakatawan, tamuping kailangan, bibitaw kayo. Kailangan palagi tamong mamaos kaya bang anito, in kayang panube, palagi ang manatili kaya katamo. Makanyan mo, sana mikiti-kita mo Kenny. Happy birthday. God bless.
Dumalang ka, Kenny. Munta kang masyal ka.
Okay.
Hello, my dear brother. How are you? Wishing you all the best in life. Your love life, your family, your friends, and all the people around you there. May God bless you and enjoy your blessed day. Happy birthday, and I love you so much. Please find time to visit us here in Milan. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, friends, and all the people around there who are enjoying the birthday of my dear brother. Bye-bye.